Hey, let me show you 3 tips how you can improve the sound quality of Sony WF-C710N. So first of all, we have to start by opening Sound Connect application, and when you are on the My Device, click on this arrow of the ambient sound control to open it. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to go into the Bluetooth connection quality, expand and select the prioritize sound quality. So it's especially useful when you are using Android devices with LDAC support. It will just improve the quality of your sound. Next, you can also turn on the DSEE, and also what is pretty useful, go to the equalizer, click on this arrow, and now just go over all of these presets and find this one that fits your preferences the best. This is just essential to improve the sound quality. Also, you can try to replace ear tips. So if you pick up the perfect ear tips, you will also feel a little bit difference in the sound quality. So you will basically hear less background sound. And the last additional tip, if you are using your streaming services, in my case, I'm using YouTube Music, you have to check for the quality of this streaming service. So in the YouTube Music, it looks like that you have to click on the right upper corner, then you have to go into the settings and go to the playback or into data saving actually. And be sure that you select always high quality for the mobile network, but also for the Wi-Fi.